Most people panic when their Starbucks gift card stops working, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is completely fine. The real issue is usually a small mistake in activation, app sync, or entry that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Starbucks gift card is not working in 2026, the real reasons behind it, and step-by-step fixes so you can use your balance without stress. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how it works. A Starbucks gift card is stored inside the Starbucks app or linked account on Starbucks. If anything is off in your account, the card may not load or may show a zero balance even when money is available. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume the card is already active just because they bought it. But many physical cards still need proper activation at the store. If the cashier did not activate it correctly, the card will not work online or in the app. So the first step is simple. Check your receipt or confirm activation with the store where you purchased it. But here's where it gets interesting. Another major issue is incorrect entry inside the app. The card number and security code must be entered exactly as shown. Even one missing digit or extra space can stop it from linking properly. So re-enter the details slowly. If you are using a digital card, copy and paste carefully, without adding spaces. Now here's another problem most people ignore. App sync issues. The Starbucks app sometimes fails to refresh your balance instantly. Jake experienced this where his card showed zero at first, but after logging out and logging back in, the correct balance appeared. So if your balance looks wrong, refresh the app or reinstall it if needed. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Sometimes the issue is not the card at all. It is your account login. If you are signed into the wrong Starbucks account, your balance will not appear. Many users unknowingly create multiple accounts and confuse them. So always double-check that you are logged into the correct profile. Now let's talk about another hidden issue. Region mismatch can also block card functionality. If your Starbucks card is from one country and your app region is set to another, the system may not recognize the balance correctly. So make sure your account country matches your card region. But here's the problem. Even when everything is correct, temporary system glitches can still happen. Starbucks servers can occasionally delay balance updates, especially during peak hours or promotions. In that case, waiting 10 to 15 minutes and retrying usually fixes the issue automatically. Now here's the final fix most people overlook. If your card still does not work, remove it from the app and add it again. This resets the connection and often restores the balance instantly. If nothing works, the final step is contacting Starbucks support with your card details and receipt. They can verify activation and fix account issues quickly. So let's quickly summarize. Most Starbucks gift card issues come from activation problems, incorrect entry, app sync errors, wrong account login, or region mismatch. And once you fix these, your card usually works instantly again. If this video helped you, like it, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple fixes that save you time and frustration every day.